Hey guys, so today we're going to be making these lavender bath salts, and if you want to learn how to do that, you're going to need this jar. You're going to need some Epsom salt, some baking soda, you're going to need some organic sea salt, and you're going to need doTERRA lavender essential oil. So if you want to learn how to do it, keep on watching. So the first step is we're going to take our bowl, and we are going to pour a full cup of Epsom salt. So I have my measuring spoon right here. A full cup of Epsom salt, so a little bit more. After that, we're going to do a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Now we're going to do a 1/4 cup of just all natural sea salt. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup of that. So now we're going to pour in our 1/4 cup of sea salt. And now we're going to do 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Today I'm using doTERRA. Oh, wait, can you see it? Yeah, I'm using lavender doTERRA essential oil. So you're going to do 10 drops of that. And now we're going to mix it all up. So I'm just going to grab a regular spoon and I'm going to mix it up. You're also going to need some containers to put it in. Today I'm using these small mason jars, and I have 4 of those. I'm not sure how much it'll fill up. Alright guys, so now that we're done mixing it all up, I'm going to go ahead and put some lavender seeds inside our mixture. So I'm just going to do a pinch. And then once again, we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. Now, once we're done, I'm going to pour this back into the measuring cup over here so we can easily pour it into these jars. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and try and attempt to not make a mess and pour this into our measuring cup so we can hopefully easily pour them into our bath salt containers. Alrighty, it was a success. Alright, as you can see that we have the little lavender pieces, but those are totally optional. There's no need for you to have that. You can totally just go without it. So this is a jar that I like pre-set up, and it has a label on it. It says lavender bath salts, and I think it's super cute. So now I'm going to put this in our bowl so we don't waste any of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and slowly pour it into our small jar. Alrighty, so I do have a little bit of leftover mixture, and I do have leftover jars. I have about 3 more, but this is the one with our label, as you can see. So I'll get back to you once I filled them all up. Alright guys, so I'm all done. This is our final product. It has little lavender bits in it. It smells so good. It's a post-workout one, so if your legs are sore, it'll like literally make it go away. I've tried this recipe before. It's so awesome. So I was able to fill 4 jars for I'm not sure how many ounces they are, but I was able to fit 4 of these jars. Or you can use like a larger mason jar if you want it all in one big one. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.